to my YouTube channel. I'm very excited to start doing more videos. And yeah. So today's video, as you can tell by the title, will be a hair review. This company DX has sent me a hair to review. No, they're not sponsoring this video, but they asked me to make a YouTube video as long as posting on my social media platforms. So that's what I'll be doing. And I'm starting to get into more companies asking me to do this. So if you're into hair installations and all of that good type of stuff, then make sure you subscribe to me and turn on my post notifications so you don't miss no videos, because it's about to go up from here, and that's all I gotta say. Okay, that's all I gotta say. So let's get into this hair. This hair review is from DX Hair. Okay, first thing is, when I opened the bag, I just opened it. They gave me 2 wig caps, like dome caps, okay? And the inches I got was 20, 18, and 16 with a 14 closure, okay? So yeah, my phone had cut off, but here's the 20 inch. Okay, I know y'all see that back shine already. And what I'm gonna do with this hair, like, it's real soft, bouncy, smells like hair. But what I'm gonna do with this is I'm actually gonna take all the hair that I do from reviews and I'm gonna make them into wigs. I will advertise them as well to do sewings and stuff on people that's around this area, like on my Snapchat and stuff, and they're on there. If they want to get their hair, some hair installed, then they will be able to do that. But look at the hair. Like, look at the hair. Look at the ends. We love us some full ends. No fucking cap. No freaking cap, okay? We love us some full hair, some full ends. I like the little blue. I ain't never seen that before. Okay, DX Hair. Okay, but what's really popping, we gotta check the closure. Okay, we gotta check the closure, because you can have some good bundles with freak ass closure. Sorry guys, sorry. Not. Don't disappoint now. Don't disappoint. I think they said this is HD lace, but let's check. Okay. Giving much HD. So, okay guys, so my phone keep going on and off. So yeah, that will be the end of this video. If y'all want to see me make it into a wig and install it on some baddie, I got y'all. Well, okay. Thank y'all for whoever did stay to the end of this video. Thank you, because when I'm up, we up. Okay, so thank you. Make sure you subscribe to this channel.